forever soulmates. Sometimes a hit ticks, clicks at that perfect time like a perfect rhyme. Its potency can't even tip, for it's the maximum magnetic fit. Truly were our baby dreams the night before we met. Prepare for many good times ahead, the dream book said. Eyes locked at that moment, were amazed. What a romantic first clue, only after our first and most beautiful encounter at the zoo. Only two can share that kiss of spaghetti, or romantically sway under colors of falling confetti. We equal that perfect love song, we link strong. Each time we hold tight, we ardently ignite. I always sensed to come from afar, was all as if we clandestinely knew us, for our deep wishes were at par. How gracefully fine our twist of fate, now merrily married. You and I, precious, forever soulmates.